In this video, we'll demonstrate how to uninstall OBS Studio on your Windows system. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about uninstalling OBS Studio on Windows, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now let's get started with the uninstallation process. OBS Studio, short for Open Broadcast Software, is a powerful program often used for streaming. If you encounter issues or simply prefer a different program, we'll guide you on how to uninstall OBS Studio. There are several methods to uninstall OBS Studio on Windows, and we'll cover a couple of them. You can access the uninstall option by going to the Start menu, searching for OBS, and right-clicking to uninstall. Alternatively, you can navigate through Settings, select Apps and Features, locate OBS Studio, and uninstall it. If, for any reason, you don't find OBS Studio listed in the Apps and Features section, you can access the Control Panel, either by searching for it or typing Control Panel in the search bar. From there, go to Programs or directly to Uninstall a program. Find OBS Studio and uninstall it. Now, let's address a potential issue. If you still find remnants of OBS Studio, you can search for any shortcuts and uninstall them. Additionally, you can manually delete any remaining folders associated with OBS Studio. Once you've completed these steps, OBS Studio should be successfully uninstalled from your Windows system. If you appreciate this tutorial, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to assisting you in the next video.